Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove the background noise from GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to remove any background noise that we might be having in our tracks. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here. That's going to open up this new recording menu where at the top of the screen we have our big red circle for recording and so on. And what we want to do is open up our track. So here in the upper left corner we have the edit menu. That's going to open up this mixing mode where I can find all the tracks that we have. So you can see I have created a drum kit right here. I have my keyboard and my audio recorder vocals. So what I can do guys to remove the background noise from my vocals or whatever we need is go right here at the top of the screen, click the sliders button, and the sliders options is going to go ahead and open up our track settings with all the options that we can utilize and use. And if you scroll down, we can find this option right here that says plugins and equalizer. So what you want to do is click on plugins and equalizer, and this is going to open up this new menu right here. And one of the options guys is going to be called the noise gate. So what you want to do is to use the noise gate option. This is going to enable you to remove your background noise. What you want to do is use the threshold right here and select how much you want to remove it, how much decibels and so on. You can use the sliders right here and get your desired effect. Test it out until you remove all the background noise that you need from your song. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.